This is how to change to business account on TikTok. We're gonna open up TikTok. We're gonna hit the icon in the bottom right. This is profile. Once the profile is opened up, we're gonna hit these three lines at the very top right corner, like that. And the third option, you see settings and privacy. We're gonna press on that. The first option, hit account. And you see where it says switch to business account. We're gonna click on that. Go next, 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 next. Right here, we're gonna choose the category of what kind of genre this account's gonna be. So it could differ for you, but for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and go gaming. Next, we're gonna add our email address, but for now, I'm just gonna skip it. Press create now, and you're all set. That is how you change to a business account on TikTok.